Your question number is... Ayan.
Alright.
Yung mic. Yeah.
Question number 2. This is your question. For you, what is the lifeblood of our society and why? Again, for you, what is the lifeblood of our society and why? For you, what is the lifeblood of our society and why?
Kumbaga sa Tagalog, parang anong sitwasyon natin? Tama ba?
Maybe.
Hindi eh. Kasi medyo nagulan ako sa live blood.
I don't know, what's lifeblood? English major, what's a lifeblood?
Para malinis yung
Dugong buhay. Dugong buhay. Alright.
medyo, di ba? Medyo magulo.
Feeling ko, kahalagahan ba ito sa society and... Tama? Tama? Am I correct? Alright. Alright, kahalagahan. Alright. For you, what's the lifeblood of our society? Ano ang kahalagahan sa'yo ng society at bakit?
Okay, direct to the point, may answer. Sorry, sir, medyo nagulan. And kalab ng kalagan ng aking buhay, kalab ng buhay namin as LGBT community, yun po ang pagiging sa aming bakla, pagiging masipag ang makatulong sa aming mga gulang. Dahil naniniwala po ako, ang pagiging masipag ng LGBT community is the worthy for who you are, or what you are. But you'll become worthy for what others can be because of you. Basta meron ka ng respeto, tiwala sa iyong sarili bilang isang LGBT, tsak, wala kang talo. Maraming salamat po. May answer direct to the point. No scripted, no punchline. Because in my opinion, in myself, thank you so much.
Thank you, candidate number 2.